How to adjust image transparency on Wix. So I have in here this image and I want to adjust its transparency. In order to do it, just head over and then click on that particular image of your selection. And then once you have clicked on that image, you can see in here the settings icon. So click on this settings icon, and then scroll down right here and you can see the link, tooltip, and a lot more. Now for that, click on this adjust option and it will open a new image settings option and you should be able to edit it right here. So it will open this photo studio. Now on this photo studio right here, you can adjust whatnots. You can auto enhance it and everything that you want. So for this one, you can also click on this filter, regenerate, and also the more page right here wherein you can add the opacity option, as well as some text, background, stickers, and a lot more. So that's how you adjust image transparency on Wix. Hope we helped.